Hello guys, so this is a new spamming bot that I've made for the chat room spamming. So I'll start with how to use it. So when you purchase this, you will receive two links and you have to work on these two links only. Okay, now I'll open my VPS. Uh, so now I'm connected to the VPS. This is a brand new VPS, okay? So it will open now. So this is a brand new VPS, and what you have to do is you'll receive these two links and just copy these links and download the files. Sorry, yes, open Google Chrome, go here and paste the links. Download both the files. So this is the file too. Just go here and so these so yes, download these two files. Continue. This is just a file uploading site, so you don't have to worry a lot about this. Just close this, and these are basically the ads. So just close this and download this too. So it will take some time to download. I'll come back when it has been downloaded, okay? So I'll close this as well. So it is being downloaded, okay? So it won't take a lot of time. So let's wait for a minute. Cool. So it has been downloaded too. Just close this and go to your downloads. Go to your downloads, and the first thing that you need to keep in mind is first unzip both the files, okay? First unzip both the files, open it and extract here. So this will be extracted. These are the fingerprints, okay? Same with this. Extract the files here. These are being extracted. After this, what you have to do is once it has been extracted, just delete both these files, okay? So the version of VPS that I'm using is uh, it's the lowermost VPS, so I've just purchased this for making this tutorial, okay? But I'll tell you later what is the significance of purchasing a high quality VPS and a low quality VPS. So just delete both these files and uh, copy these two, basically cut them, okay, and paste them here. Now you're done, okay? So yes, now the first thing that you have to do is if the file name is already not fingerprint, change it to fingerprint. If you receive the file as fingerprints 120, just rename it as fingerprint, okay? Make sure that there is no s, there is just one fingerprint, okay? Just rename it, okay? Now you're done. You have to open the software. So the software is being opened now. Once it opens, it will ask you for the login and ID password. So you must have received this while you purchased my guide, okay? On the Shopee, you must have received the login and ID password. So I'll put my ID password here. Okay, so I've used it on. Okay, I'll get back in 2 minutes. Yes. Okay guys, so I forgot to create a user on that, so now I've created the user. So now open it, and it's the same process that I told you earlier. Okay, I just forgot to create my own user. Your users, your ID password would be created on this. So I've created this and I'll just log in. Okay, now this has been opened. So the first thing that it will ask you is for the messages that you want to send. Okay, and then there's an option for the proxy IP address, then there's an option for username, password. So these options will be used when you want to use the IP or you want to use the proxies on it. Then this is a number of threads, how many threads you want to run simultaneously, and then this is the time in between messages. So I'll tell you what this means later. First of all, I'll show you the site, okay, the Joingy site that you'll be spamming on. So this is the site that we'll be spamming on primarily. uh, I'll just click on it. No thanks. No, got it. So this is a site that we'll be spamming on. This is the Joingy site. Okay. So I'll tell you how this works first of all. So you go here, you click on this, and then you click on text only. Okay. So this is one of the spammers that has been doing this. Okay. So uh, the things that you have to keep in mind is when you see here you're now chatting with a stranger, this it means your IP has not been banned. Okay, I'll tell you if your IP has been banned, what it will show later. Okay, so first of all, go to new chat and it shows that you're now chatting with a random stranger. These are spammers only. See, so I think this is a real human. I'll send him hi. So he's typing. Okay, so if he writes he's a female, so you can take this conversation anyway. I am Mary from USA. What about you? About you? I am a female. So this is how you'll be sending messages on this. Okay, in between this stranger will type messages too. You got it? So he's typing messages. So the time in between the messages that I showed you here, time in between messages, this basically is for the message that you write before and the message that you will write later. So in between you have to specify this time, like how much time you need to wait for the stranger to type her or his message. So I'll show you this. I'm a female too, he's a female, so there is no point of talking. We are not going to promote anything to him. So just open it and click on new chat. So you're now chatting with a random stranger. Hi. See, this is how people have been spamming on this. See, this is you can share your Instagram, you can share your Telegram, you can share your website too. But the things you have to keep in mind is, see, these are random strangers. Okay, this site. Hi, I'll send him hi. I am a female from USA, 21 age. Now he'll type something else. So I am from India. Okay, so this is how this works. Okay, now you have to, like, you have to devise your own strategy on how you can get this other person on the chat room to get back to you on some Telegram or Instagram or anywhere else. So this actually depends on how creative you are. So I'll share with you what sort of messages I used to send on these websites. I'll share that with you too. That used to uh, let people text me on Instagram. Using that, I'm fine. So I had a predefined template that I used to use. So I'm using a free version. I'll just stop it and start a new video. Okay.